A delicious first course brought to us by the letter P. Coming right up on Weekend at the Cottage. Welcome to Weekend at the Cottage. I'm Nick Manojlovic. Before I talk to you about this really fantastic first course, a pasta dish that is so tasty, I'd like to invite you to head to weekendatthecottage.com. When you visit our website, please subscribe. After that, head to our dedicated YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel as well, and then keep the conversation going with my incredible business partner, Carol Bogazzi. You can reach Carol on one or more of our favorite social media platforms, Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. I'm about to share a wonderful idea for a first course with you. It is about the letter P, because so many of the ingredients start with the letter P. Totally by accident, went to the local market and the lady there had fresh sugar snap peas. I picked up 2 quarts and the wheel started turning and the pasta started coming together. We're taking our sugar snap peas and we're going to shell them into your hand. Just split them open, draw your thumb through, and they fall into the bowl. Could not be any simpler, but the flavor is off the charts. If you can find fresh peas, it will make this recipe sing. Once you have your peas done, we're taking a piece of pancetta, a smoked Italian ham. I'm thinly slicing it. I want little bits of pancetta into the pasta. I have a little bit of P for Parmigiano cheese, taking my cheese slicer, just drawing little shards of Parmigiano to the side. Last ingredient is portobello mushrooms with their big gigantic cap. I'm going to slice them very thinly. You'll see when I present this how beautiful the mushrooms are when you slice them in this fashion. Everything is ready to go. We head to stovetop. Very simple, straightforward again. Medium-sized pot on stovetop, 3/4 filled with water, heavily salted. Bring your water to a boil. We're adding 2 cups of a very tiny penne pasta. It's called pennine rigate, which is a small penne. The noodles go in. We cook to directions about 8 minutes. While the pasta's cooking, large skillet on stovetop, medium-high heat, a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. We're going to begin this recipe with some heat, about a teaspoon of chili pepper flakes, toss them into the oil. Then you have that chopped pancetta. As soon as you add the pancetta in, the fragrance starts to go and you're getting excited. We add 3 cloves of finely diced garlic, toss that into the pan. Add those portobello mushrooms. They're going to wilt on top of the pancetta garlic pepper mixture. Kind of toss them around a little bit, and then finally our fresh peas go on top. I like the peas like I like my pasta, al dente, right? It has to be to the bite, so don't overcook the peas at this point. About 8 minutes in, your pasta will be done. We're draining. Transfer your pasta to a bowl as I have, and then you take your skillet, transfer those ingredients in. Really a beautiful look for this dish. We're going to add some Parmigiano on top, a little bit of black pepper if you'd like. Do not even think of adding salt to this. There is no need. We're going to stir, and then I'm going to suggest you present on small plates as I have. The concept is primi. In Italian, this is the term for that pasta course. So instead of making this a big dinner main course, serve it as a first course to a dinner party. You may follow with a beautiful steak and then something sweet, some dolce for dessert. This idea for a first course for a dinner party is fantastic. I kind of also like it for lunch because you're gonna have some leftovers. You can take it the next day for lunch to work too. A beautiful suggestion on a pasta, all thanks to the letter P. Peas. Pancetta. Portobello. Pennine rigate. I'm telling you, this is the next thing you need to make your next adventure in cooking a success. After that, come on back and hang out with Weekend at the Cottage again. We hope to see you soon. Take care.